Behalf of Svenska Kullagerfabriken, we welcome all of you. Our distinguished customers are here, our respected dignitaries are here, and the august gathering. So this is an evening dedicated to SKF. Let me tell you, it is Metals Customer Conference North 2023, and the theme for tonight is Forging Partnerships Towards Sustainable Growth. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Honey Gill and I will be your host for this magnificent occasion. So tonight it's all about celebration, I would say, and we will be talking about the sustainable growth on behalf of SKF in the coming future. The best part of the evening is that we SKF are celebrating of being 100 years, and I think that all the credit of being 100 in India goes to the customers which are here, because you have kept that faith, belief and trust in us. We are SKF just because of you, so we would like to begin. Thank you so much for making my job easy. So we welcome you all once again delightfully, very heartily to the evening. Firstly, we are going to start with the welcome and the introductory note. To do so, please help me welcoming on the stage the Director of Industrial Market, SKF India, Mr. Sujit Pai. Well, gentlemen, tell me something that, when these days everything around us is moving with a fast pace, we really, shoulder the weight of it all, be it any change or innovation. And I think that in this case, we talk particularly about sustainability, isn't it? So now the next session is all about what SKF is doing on sustainability front. And this session will be curated by our segment head, Metals and Services, Mr. Sharad Jha. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. Those were some valuable insights, I would say. So they say it right, ladies and gentlemen, that SKF is all about people. It is present everywhere. It's ubiquitous. Well, now, I am going to ask you two questions, and if you give me the right answer, let's see what you have in your kitty. My first question to you is, I'm talking this about way back 1923, the inception of SKF. Under what name did SKF first started in India? Vague guesses are most welcome. SKF India. That was a smart answer. Anybody else? What was the first name when it started in 1923? The name of SKF. Sorry? I like the answers. Okay, I'll give you a few moments. Just think about it and let me know. I'm sure that you will tell the right answer. Well, my next question is, which SKF factory in India produces the largest bearings in dimensions? Superb. Right answer. Kudos to the first table on my left. Well, I am eagerly waiting for the first name of SKF. With this, I think now we should move on to the next session. Before we do that, there is a table catalog on every table. Can you see that? Now let's make the correct use of our smartphones. If you'll turn that catalog around, you will find a barcode. You scan the barcode and that barcode will actually lead you to a feedback form. Please fill in those feedback forms, and it is actually required. It's a mandate. There behind the tent card. Let me just show it to you. And I would also like to welcome all the new faces, the customers who have just walked in. A very warm welcome. They are sitting on the last table. Sir, a warm welcome on the behalf of SKF. So this is the code which you have to scan. It will take you to the feedback form. It's essential. Please fill it for this evening. All right. So our next session will be taken by the Application and Engineering Head Metals, who is Mr. Sanjay Saraswat. Let us welcome him on stage. Sir will be speaking about SKF value propositions, products and services, where he will take us through success stories, innovations and design engineering for its customers. Let us welcome Mr. Sanjay Saraswat, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Mr. Saraswat, for talking about the precise engineering. Now I'm waiting for my answer. Yes. Absolutely correct. What is your name, sir? Mr. Abhishek. Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Abhishek. Now, I would like to ask one more question and then we will move forward to the last session of this evening. Now you've got that smile on your faces listening to the last session, isn't it? Okay, so tell me something that which popular tourist attraction of the United Kingdom uses SKF bearings? It's damn easy. So, want to try? So, okay, the question is, which popular tourist attraction of the United Kingdom uses SKF bearings? So, it is, yes, you're right. And the name of that is? Oh, you're very close to the answer. Who said that? Can you please raise your hand and tell me? No, not accepted. The staff is not allowed to say that. Okay, so may I know your name? Toby? Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Toby. That's the right answer. It's London Eye. Okay. You want one more question? One more? Okay. So this is, what equipment in the Apollo 11 mission to Moon in 1969 had an SKF bearing? As we were talking about precise engineering, I thought to ask these questions to you. You are absolutely correct, sir. Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Weiner. So, thank you so much. I'm so happy to see these. I'm so happy to listen to these answers. Well, gentlemen, we will be soon distributing some surprise gifts to all of you. Priyanka ma'am is looking at me. Honey, what are you promising? Okay, let's take up the last session of this evening, which is all about how lubrication and seals offering from SKF are helping us achieve our sustainability goals. And that session will be curated by our Head of Sales and Engineering at SKF Lubrication. Please help me welcoming on the stage with a huge round of applause, Mr. Mahantesh Patil.